Hello, students! How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. This is Teacher Rose and I welcome you to our math class. This time, I'm going to talk about reading and writing fractions. Repeat, reading and writing fractions. For our vocabulary today, you are going to say each word 2 times. Let's read. Fraction, fraction, numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator, equal part, equal part, shaded part, shaded part, half, half, third, third, fourth, fourth, fifth, fifth, sixth, sixth, seventh, seventh, eighth, eighth, ninth, ninth, tenth, tenth, 20th, 20th, hundredth, hundredth. What is a fraction? Let's read. A fraction is a part of a whole. This is a whole thing. The whole has been divided into equal parts. Now, this whole picture is being divided into 6 equal parts. We can write the fraction for each equal part of the diagrams or the pictures. Okay, so this diagram here has 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts and 3 equal parts. We can write a fraction for that. But in this drawing or diagrams here, we cannot write a fraction. Why? Because they are not divided into equal parts. Okay, students, this is a whole thing. We are going to divide it equally into 6 parts. Supposing we take away 1 part, the remaining 5 parts is a fraction of the whole 6 parts. And we are going to write it like this. This is an example of a fraction. A fraction always consists of a numerator and a denominator. Take a look at this fraction. The number on top is called as the numerator. The number below is called as the denominator. The numerator represents the number of equal parts that are shaded. So take a look at this diagram. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. So 3 is the numerator. The denominator represents the equal parts that makes up the whole thing, okay? So 4 is the denominator. You are going to read it as 3/4, which means 3 parts out of the 4 equal parts. Do you understand, students? Let's practice reading these fractions. 1/2, 1/2, 1/3, 1/3, 1/4, 1/4, 1/5, 1/5, 1/6, 1/6, 1/7, 1/7, 1/8, 1/8, 1/9, 1/9, 1/10, 1/10, 1/20th, 1/20th, 1/100th, 1/100th. If the numerator in a fraction is more than 1, let's say 2, 3, or 5, you read the denominator with an S. For example, this is 2/3, 3/4, 2/5, 3/6, 4/7, 5/8, 6/9, 8/10, 5/20, 6/100. Look at this circle. The circle is divided into 3 equal parts. 1 out of the 3 equal parts is shaded. Take a look. So 1 out of 3 is written as 1/3. How will you read it? Okay, it is read as 1/3 or 1/3. How about this rectangle? The rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. 5 out of the 8 equal parts are shaded. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 8 is written as 5/8. How will you read it? Alright, 5/8 or 5/8. Good. Now that you know about fractions, let's practice. Take a look at this diagram. How many equal parts are there in all? 1, 2, 3. How many parts are shaded? Only 1. So let's make a fraction for the shaded part. In numerals, you are going to write it as 1/3. How about in words? 1/3. Very easy. Look at this diagram. How many equal parts are there in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. How many equal parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So let's make a fraction out of it. That's 3/8. How do you say it in words? 3/8. Good job. Look at this diagram. Let's count the total number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 equal parts. Now, how many parts are shaded? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make a fraction of the shaded part in numerals and in words. What's your answer? 4/10. Good job. How do you write it in words? 4/10. Very good. Another practice. Look at this diagram. Let's count the total number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make a fraction in numerals and in words. Very good. 5/6. How do you write it? 5/6. Very good, students. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.